It's a cold December afternoon, but not too cold for me to stay inside. Anyway, we have these elevators here. What I remember, they're automatics. Uh-oh, they got modernized. What? Bro, what? I can't believe it, they got modernized. No, that's so sad. These used to have old Jet Plus fixtures. They were automatic elevators with Jet Plus. I can't believe they already got to these. Oh, and of course we get the one with all the padding on the walls. Well, I don't want this one. I want one where I can see the cab. Let's send it up. Let that one go. Okay, let's get one of these too. That's a shame. Well, what I do like about the layout here is that the doors are symmetrical. You see a center opening in the middle and 2-speed on either side that faces the center opening. Looks like we're gonna get this one. Oh my goodness, I think they redid the cabs too. Jeez. Wow. Yeah, these are really, yeah, these are just about unrecognizable from their original state, at least. I mean, I do think the mod is nice. I think it's I do think it's a nice mod. Uh-oh, of course the indicator doesn't show up right on my phone, but that's fine. Also, look at this. Yes, no buttons.
Solarium.
Never heard the animation voice say that. Oh, wow. They have like a nice common area of sorts up here. That's neat. Anyway, back down.
Going down.
Wow. These are, these cabs are a lot brighter than I remember them, so. And they just look new. These don't look like 80s cabs. Yeah, so these used to be automatic elevators with GAL Jet Plus fixtures. But not anymore. The automatics went bye-bye. Like all elevators do these days. Oh, and the capacity
Ground
is
floor.
2,500 pounds. Oh, we have to go up one. There's an old Faraday horn strobe there. See the red flashing lights from the sensors, door sensors.
First floor.
All right. Well, I think that's it. We'll watch it close. And